Welcome to Spyder Auto's Projector Headlight Installation Guide for the Chevrolet Suburban. Before we get started, you'll need a 7 and 10mm socket and ratchet and a panel popper. Check out how Spyder projectors change the look of your Suburban. Start by opening the hood. Remove the 6 10mm bolts securing the fascia along the radiator support. Now we'll move down to the fender well. Take a moment to apply painter's tape or masking tape to protect the paint while we're working. Remove the 3 plastic retainers securing the fender liner. Then remove the 2 7mm bolts securing the fender liner. Stepping underneath the bumper, remove the 10mm bolt securing the fascia on each side. Now we can go ahead and unseat the bumper fascia. Before we remove the fascia, don't forget to disconnect the fog lamp harnesses if equipped. Go ahead and remove the bumper fascia and set it aside. With the fascia removed, we can now access the 3 10mm bolts securing the headlight. Remove the 2 bolts on top and the 1 bolt on the side. Now go ahead and unseat the headlight for access. Disconnect the headlight from the main wiring harness. We have to transfer a few things over before we continue. Disconnect the low beam bulb from the harness. Then disconnect the high beam bulb from the harness. Remove the DRL bulb socket. Never touch the bulbs with bare hands. Remove the turn signal bulb socket. Remove the side marker socket. Now we can remove the wiring harness from the OEM headlight. Transfer the harness over to the new Spyder headlight. Connect the yellow and black OEM low beam harness to the blue and black Spyder low beam lead. Connect the blue and black OEM high beam harness to the red and black high beam lead. Go ahead and reinstall the DRL bulb socket. Be sure to replace the gasket if it's worn. Reinstall the turn signal socket. Again, never touch the bulbs with bare hands. Reinstall the side marker socket. Your beam adjuster locations are marked here. All adjusters are 8mm. For information on how to wire the halos and more, check out the FAQs playlist on the Spyder Auto YouTube channel. Now it's time to reinstall the headlight. Reconnect the headlight harness to the main wiring harness. Then seat the Spyder headlight. Reinstall the 3 10mm bolts securing the headlight to the body. Before we can reinstall the fascia, be sure to reconnect the fog lamp harnesses if equipped. Then go ahead and seat the bumper fascia. Reinstall the 6 10mm bolts securing the upper fascia. Next, replace the fender liner. Then reinstall the 3 plastic retainers that secure the liner. And then reinstall the 2 7mm bolts. Now we'll step underneath the bumper to reinstall the 10mm bolts securing the fascia on each side from below. Then just close the hood and you're done. Congratulations, you've fitted your Suburban with a set of stylish projector headlights from Spyder Auto. This is the actual projector cutoff line.